Coronavirus by Sofia Santiago. What is the coronavirus? The coronavirus is a dangerous disease. It is also called COVID-19. The virus first started in Wuhan, China, but now it's spreaded around the world. It may come from wild animals. If we hunt and eat them, we might get sick. Did you know that corona, it means crown in Latin word? In this picture, the coronavirus is red spikes that surrounds all over the human cells. The symptoms of coronavirus are cough, sore throat, fever, colds, and difficulty in breathing. If you have one of these, you should call the doctor or tell your parents. Things to remember are: don't touch your eyes, nose, and mouth without washing your hands. For social distancing, stay 6 feet away from other people. Do not shake hands, kiss, or hug other people. Just greet with a wave. Don't go to crowded places. If you go there, you might get infected. If you're sick, don't go to school or work. You should stay home and get some rest until you get better. Do not go out. Use your phone or laptop for the message or call, virtual videos with your family, friends, teachers, grandparents, and relatives. Tips on safety and taking care of yourselves. Do regular exercises, eat healthy food, drink lots of water, 7 to 8 hours of sleep, and take vitamins. Take time to do a hobby like painting, drawing, baking, or playing the piano. This is the painting that I made. Wash your hands with soap and water. Use alcohol or hand sanitizer to keep our hands clean. When you arrive home, use disinfecting liquid to spray shoes and take a bath so that you won't carry the germs inside the house. Wearing a mask. When you go outside, you should wear your mask and goggles to protect yourself from germs and virus so that it won't go to your eyes, nose, and mouth. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a bandana mask. You will need a bandana and 2 hair ties or rubber bands. Step 1. Fold the bandana to make a rectangle. Step 2. Place rubber bands or hair ties about 6 inches apart. But you have to fold it so that you won't get magulong. Step 3. Fold sides to the middle and tuck it. When you're wearing, hold the mask carefully and place the rubber band or hair ties around the ears. Remember, do not hold your mask. When removing, hold the hair ties and remove slowly so you don't touch the mask. Ask your parents to help you to wash it. How to behave during these times. Stay connected and be kind to one another with your families, friends, teachers, and loved ones. When you feel frustrated for staying home, you should calm down and do breathing exercise. Be grateful for the frontliners like doctors, nurses, firefighters, police officers, grocery workers, etc. While we are waiting for the vaccine to be developed, we have to stay home, and best of all is to be patient. We should be thankful for being healthy and for loved ones who are recovered. And last, praise God for all the blessings we have. Remember, be safe and healthy from the COVID-19. Be happy, pray always. Stay safe at home. God bless!